Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also. It's journal reading, it might or might not resonate, okay? Now, want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course, link is in description. For personal readings and healing sessions, you can check out the description box and find the details below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass, link is given below. So let's start, my darlings. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Justice. So it's like someone is feeling like there's lack of balance in the situation, and or you might be going through some kind of courtroom drama, a period of separation, a period of somebody did something wrong with the other person here and they're seeking for the justice here. So this person is feeling like there's a sense of justice that is required in the situation somehow. Okay, let's clarify the justice. We have the Three of Wands, the Moon card, and the Six of Swords. Yeah, they are hoping for the best from the worst to come out so that they can move on completely, and or they can find a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. But in any case, they feel like moving on is the only solution left here in the situation. Everything is going to be sorted when it's the timing to get it sorted. Okay. This is someone who is definitely feeling like they should get the justice somehow in the situation. Whatever is happening or whatever happened is some injustice, right? Some kind of imbalance. Okay, let's see. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? We have the World card. So from your side, you feel like this is done deal. This is gone. Even if it is gone, there is some kind of unfinished business left between you guys that you feel like finishing. Let's clarify the World card. We have the Six of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. You feel like having a brand new chapter in your love and relationship area. For most of you, with a new person, with a completely new energy, because the past is gone and done and goodbye. For others of you, for some of you, you feel like having a brand new beginning with the past person with whom you had a fallout with at some point of time. But there's a sense of completion, there is a sense of breakup or separation, and there is this energy of feeling like having something brand new. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Page of Sword. Their intention is to keep themselves at a safe distance and watch you from a distance and get to know each and everything about you from a distance. This is their intention. Let's clarify. I don't think this person wants to come forward towards you, in front of you, and talk to you or sort it out with you in that way. Let me clarify the Page of Swords. We have the Nine of Wands, the Star card, and the Hierophant. Yeah, it's like they want to keep their guards up, and they want to like work on their spiritual factor here. They want to see what are the lessons, what are the blessings that they are getting out of this situation, and what they should do in order to find the peace and heal themselves properly. So when it comes to this connection, they don't want to like come forward and talk to you and sort it out with you and all that. This person wants to heal themselves properly, and they want to learn the lessons, and they want to take the blessings out of the situation and move to the next lesson, move to the next chapter, you can say. For most of you, this person is going through uh, spiritual kind of journey, and they want to take all the lessons and blessings out of the situation and enhance their journey. or maybe because of this situation they are going more towards spirituality, consciousness. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? We have the Hierophant. So from your side, you just want to remain connected with your own higher self as much as you can. Basically, because of this situation, both of you are going on your spiritual paths individually, and you guys are taking your lessons and blessings out of this situation. Let's clarify the Hierophant. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. See, you want to let go of this situation, heal yourself properly, and find your own happiness within yourself. It's not about you wanting somebody by your side as a person. You want your own energy to be like felt completely. It's like connecting with your higher self and doing whatever you feel is right for you on every possible level. Hmm? And you feel like you should focus on your wish fulfillment, focus on your own happiness, fill your own cups with happiness, and then when you feel like you should have somebody by your side, then you should go in that direction or open up in that direction. Right now you feel like working on your individual self and your higher self, and stay in tune with this kind of energy of connecting with your spiritual side as much as you can and as deeply as you can. Very good. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 2nd of Feb, honey. The Sun card. So it's like you getting some kind of clarity, ultimate clarity about something or someone. Everything is going to be crystal clear. Let's clarify the Sun here. We have the Two of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Five of Wands. Right. So you will be able to understand whether you still have love for somebody and or this is over because of the fights, the conflicts, and the issues. You always felt disconnected from the connection, but now you are going to get the proper clarity and understanding of what it should be and how it should be in your love and relationship area next. Okay. So because of whatever happened till now in your love and relationship area, you are now very, very sure, 1000% sure about how your love and relationship area should be and how it should not be. This is the kind of clarity you are going to gain by the end of this week, and you are going to be quite in this energy of okay, got it, universe, thank you. That kind of deal, right? Beautiful. Although I do see internal chaos, internal conflict going on, but at the same time you gaining the clarity about the future direction of your love and relationship area is the biggest blessing that you're going to get out of this situation. So it's like blessing in disguise afterwards. For you, the guidance here is keep moving ahead. Try to work on the past baggages that you're still carrying with yourself, the fears, the limiting beliefs, the pain, the trauma. Try to work on them and release them one by one, and then move forward. Then you will be able to find the peace that you're looking forward to have, and then you can start the brand new chapter of your life. Right now, first your life, then your love life. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.